You want your coffee yet? Huh? Not ready yet?
I'm not even gonna drink this. I'm just gonna keep it in my hands.
Alright. So it's not 7 o'clock yet in the morning, and this is early August, and I can imagine that we would need a jacket, but this feels so good to be out here, and it's so pretty. It's definitely worth the time and effort to get here and then camp overnight. It's just absolutely quiet and dark. You see the full moon, and it's just great feeling. Just awesome experience for sure. Now we're just enjoying our coffee, and then Kana and Michael way down there. Probably gonna say hi to some of the cows by the water. Life is good. And we got company. These guys actually went out to go fishing. Not sure what they can catch from here. And this is the view from our van last night. So this is what I like about our van life, because we're just hanging out here in the van, comfortable bed, looking out, drinking coffee, watching the sunrise. It really feels good to be out here. My God, Kana. Really? Yeah, definitely not human paw.
There's a lot of paw marks in the mud down there that aren't cows or dogs.
What are they?
Big claws. There's cats down here that come down to the reservoir to drink.
Like big cats?
Yeah.
What's that?
It is a .45 caliber bullet casing.
Really?
Yeah. But it's used. We'll pick it up and put it in the garbage. We're ready to go out over this little obstacle course.
Go back out to the civilization.
Gonna go back out to cellular coverage area.
Oh God. All right, let's head out.
All right.
I'll almost fall down. Hey, co-pilot, take your seat. Thank you. All right, here we go. Quite honest, I'm not sure this is highly recommended because it is so rough to get here. Yeah, if you get a high clearance and 4x4 or maybe just even like a regular truck or Jeep, it's fine. But as a van, yeah, it's pretty rattly, all right. Bye, LEDE.
Here we go.
So I think the goal is to take our time, even if it's like, I don't know, 2 miles an hour, but really make it really slow. We learned our lesson last night. The coffee machine fell down to the floor.
Put a nice little dent in the floor too.
Yes. So
but nothing serious.
Nothing serious, so we actually took everything off the counter. We're just gonna be very slowly back to the smooth asphalt road. It's pretty though.
Yeah, the problem is that this vehicle has a 170-inch wheelbase, so going over rough terrain is a little bit more difficult than like if you had a 140 or something like that.
It's a good warning sign. What happened with this cow thing?
We heard a bump, but there was no damage to the vehicle. We just didn't know what it was.
Take our time.
That was the one?
Yeah, this is... I think this is the one. Alright, good. So that's not the generator rubbing against...
No. I just noticed that one of the metal planks that went across was kind of raised up a little bit. So when we went over it, it probably just clinked on it. So that's what it was. It wasn't hitting our truck.
Okay, good. Check out the view, and you can't just complain. It's a good thing it wasn't raining last night.
Well, it might have cleaned off some of this red dust.
Well, then we're stuck here forever.
No, this is all really solid. It wouldn't have made it difficult for us to get out. It just would have been muddier.
Muddy, yeah.
But it's really solid. Like, it's not gonna turn into like
mushy,
soupy mud.
A good co-pilot, Kana.
She's a navigator.
Yeah.
The RV engineer.
Oh, traffic jam maybe. All right, cows, please move. Ladies, excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, girl. You gotta move.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You have to be careful with this ATV because they are flying on the road.
Do we need a permit or anything?
I'll get your info.
Oh,
okay,
great.
thank you.
Oh, nice. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yeah, we probably will then.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
And then I don't know how familiar you are with Vail.
Not at all. Well, that was an easy decision.
Yeah, our next adventure brought us to Vail.
Only because I missed the exit for...
Yeah, we had a different plan, but the good thing about this is that we actually spending the night in one of the most expensive towns in Colorado.
And we have a permit to stay right in this parking spot for 3
days if we like. We're so excited. I think Vail is one of the prettiest ski town here, and the town center is only 5-minute walk, so it's looking forward to it.
Yep.
And I think the dog the same way, Kana.
She can't wait. Want to go for a walk? Want to go for a walk?
Such a whiny baby. All right, let's go. So we park in an area of Vail that's called the Lionshead Village.
Lionshead Village. Is it?
Yes.
Lionshead
Village, and that's not far away from called the Vail Village, I guess, about 5-minute walk. Man, Colorado is just full of van life, people, and it is such a welcoming state for us.
It's hard to stay on camera when I got a dog pulling me all over the place.
Yeah, we need to
train her a little bit.
Be
a little more polite.
Yes, we actually saw a few vans just in Vail itself. And we are the only ones so far that utilize the free parking lot.
Yeah, but maybe most of them are just here for the day. And ours, admittedly, is longer than theirs. They can park in the regular parking spots.
Oh, true. Never thought about it.
Vail, Colorado. A city that in winter is famous for blanketing snow and world-class downhill skiing. In the summertime, though, it's also an enjoyable town just to walk around in. Built to resemble an alpine town with Bavarian architecture, there are plenty of things to do here. Even for dogs. Kana met a few of them here.
Oh my! Tell wagon. Hey,
Kana.
Hey Mooney. Hey Mooney. Hi. Do you have altitude sickness, Michael? And of course, Vail is slightly higher than the majority of the country, really. It's about 8,600 feet.
Yep.
To give you perspective, Denver is about 5,600 and Atlanta is about 3,000 something. So I don't feel the effect of the high altitude.
No, it's not bothering me. The only thing that's bothering with me is it's drying out in my nose and it's making it really itchy.
Yes.
And with the weather so nice, the city's parks and rivers are packed with people.
Kana.
They were good.
Jump in.
Wow, she's thirsty, isn't she? But now, it's time to eat. So we decided to have a pizza at Pazzo's Pizzeria in Vail's town center. That was nice of them.
Yeah, so good, guys. Look at the pizza. And look at the view, too. Very nice. Pizza's good.
I really want to eat it all.
But we know better, so we're gonna get a box to go. So it's gonna be maybe dinner tomorrow or lunch tomorrow, whatever. But it is pretty good.
Breakfast. It's gonna be breakfast in the
Breakfast tomorrow.
And you have a dog, that kid is gonna take care of your dog the whole time. All right, you ready? Yeah, ready?
All right. Go.
See ya.
It's a nice evening in Vail.
It is. And she just had a really good encounter with a, what was it, a Scottish Terrier?
He's just a puppy.
She was playing with him and that was awesome.
It's a little bit odd this morning waking up to turn on the generator because we are in the middle of parking lot with a lot of other RVs. So now we're just making a lot of noises before 7 o'clock, but we need coffee. Sorry people, sorry. Kana's ready to go. Yeah, you are.
Time for Kana to go pee.
The good thing about this free parking lot is that there's a bathroom nearby. Sure, we have a bathroom in our van, but of course we got limited space, storage for the waste. So it's always nice to be able to do it outside so that we don't have to emptying it as often, if that makes sense. Check this out, guys. This is all the ski slopes. And of course this is just like a parking deck. But look at that. This is amazing. And the bathroom is located here in the transit center. And there's another one by the information center right there. And it's actually clean and empty. So as the name implies, this is a transit center. They can park in the deck and then wait here for any transit buses that takes them all the way to any ski slopes. But this is really nice and cozy and looks so modern, which I really like. Got vending machines, TV, information, a lot of plugs, and water fountain, and bathroom.
Kana, what have I got? You want that now? You've been smelling it all night, haven't you? Come here, Kana.
What is this, Kana?
Come here. Good girl. You stay down there.
Get your
Stay,
treat,
no,
Kana.
you can't come up here. I don't think she's ever had anything like this before. She's tearing out the parts she doesn't like. And That's just a snapshot of our experience in Vail. Our journey in our camper van continues, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow along. Plus, hit that bell for notifications every time we post something new. Thanks for watching. God, we have such a wussy sounding horn.
And of course, Vail.
So we bought a new Prevost bus today. We decided that our Mercedes Sprinter wasn't quite good enough and we needed something about 15 feet longer. So we took the only $2 million that we had out of our bank account, and it's got its own celebrity in the back.
And what to do with our van?
Just leave it here. What's a few thousand wasted dollars?